They want to burden themselves with doing everything themselves. Now, the net result of that is people believe it saves them money. Couldn't be further from the truth in actual facts. It holds back growth. It stunts the ability of the business to grow dynamically and strategically, and you're capping yourself with revenues and profits because you only have 24 hours in a day, and some of that you need to sleep. Some of that you need to do other things. You need to spend time with your family. And again, a common problem that we hear from business owners is that they don't have enough time to do the things that they really want to do. And that's kind of sad, because the reason why most people go out and start a business is because they want to do something impactful for the world, and they don't want to be a slave to the 9-to-5 system, working for someone else and making them rich, right? So, it's kind of counterintuitive when you look at it from a common sense point of view, that what they're doing is they're giving up their time freedom to run a business that is giving them exactly what they didn't want to happen. Quite the reverse, okay? And they get stressed, they get burnt out, and strange things can happen when you're in those emotional states. So it's not a good place to be. So in Pillar 3, we cover how you can be more efficient with your time, how you can actually achieve more for your business, and this all ties, all the 4 pillars tie together, how you can be more efficient and actually give some of your time up from running the business and outsourcing and let others take control, so that you can focus on working in it and spending less time, so that you have more time to do important things, hobbies, play golf, spend time with the family, even go on holidays. So this is all achievable. It just takes the ability and the want to change and to adapt. And if you can do that, you will see great results, and you will see great changes in your business for the better.